Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 16th of June 2022. Looking across markets today, seeing some of them gains from yesterday's bounce post-Fed given back. In fact, S&P, I was just posting inside the indices chat, is just been trading and ticking below its current weekly low. So are we set for another leg lower today after that bounce that we saw across risk assets yesterday on the back of the Fed? I was suggesting inside the chat room last night that that bounce that we did see across risk might be short-lived. It wasn't really a positive. It wasn't really a press conference or a meet which screamed, "Okay, let's buy the dip on risk assets." Was it? You had the 75 basis points hike. Yes, was already priced into a lot of the moves down that we've already seen. But Powell, still was saying, "Hey, we're pretty serious about this, and over the next few months, we might have to do this again." And it was just the fact he didn't say this is guaranteed every month that made risk bounce, but it's not really changed anything, guys, and we're still in a macro backdrop which is not good for risk assets essentially. So equities, especially high growth tech and Bitcoin and cryptos, fall into that category. So with inflation continuing to be rampant, and with the Fed now tightening, I think it's quite clear to see what is the main controller of crypto markets right now, and that is the Fed. So as long as they continue to repeat hawkish noises, and we continue seeing signs that they're in panic mode, which is my opinion now, they are in panic mode, they are behind the curve. I still think we've got further to go on this bear market across the board. So let's have a look at Bitcoin then. Now that's a little bit about yesterday's Fed meeting bounce over. We've got Litecoin from a technical perspective retracing back into 50 cents. So Litecoin top left here, you can see that 50 cents channel there, and then downside below that you've got the 40 cents. So trading between the 40 and 50, that's quite key. Ethereum, we talked about ETH at 1000 quite frequently, and once again turned out to be quite a nice handle, psychological handle, but we've got the bounce off there. We have retraced back into around 1265. That was our upside break yesterday, funnily enough, and now we're just trading in the middle of that. So they're basically the key levels overhead and underneath for the time being. That 1000 below 1880 is the one to watch. 21,295, we've got downside. If we do take out that low from yesterday on Bitcoin, we'll be heading down to 17,630. There's nothing much in the way of support beneath this 21,000 handle. You could argue 20,000. I mean, we were pretty close to the 20,000 handle yesterday. In fact, almost to the point. So you do have two psychological round number handles at 1,000 ETH and then 20,000 Bitcoin to be watching. Ripple, interesting. Slightly bigger bounce than some of the others were seeing yesterday, but again halfway towards giving that all back. Bit of a support level in there around that 30 cents handle on Ripple, so that's probably the key one to watch. Just a highlight before we do go, I just wanted to bring to your attention some of the trading talk videos which one of the traders in the chat, one of the traders on the desk, Charles, has been doing recently. He's been posting some really interesting crypto models inside the trading talk series.